Hi, I'm Dr. Marcia Schmidt, and this is your Bulldozer Health Tip. We're going to talk about stiff and tight muscles. Wake up and you're stiff and tight, can't move your head, frozen shoulder. Anytime a muscle gets stiff and tight, it's doing exactly what it's supposed to do. Muscles are filled with hundreds and hundreds of fibers. And when a muscle works, it contracts, the fibers actually overlap. Now what happens is calcium waits outside the muscle and magnesium lives inside the muscle. So every time you use your muscle to expand and contract, calcium and magnesium change places, in and out and in and out. So while you're breathing and your chest is expanding and contracting, even your arteries, think about how many arteries you have in the body, and they're composed of 3 muscles whirling around each other. Every time you blink, every time you change position, walk, pick up your cell phone, you use muscle. So your muscles are constantly contracting and expanding. Calcium and magnesium are moving in and out. Let's say you run out of available calcium. It's stored in the bones. Bones are porous, and so the minerals move out. Calcium and magnesium are the large minerals. They move out of the bone and come to the muscle to help it expand and contract. But if you don't have enough calcium and magnesium, this muscle does a wonderful thing. It locks closed and it says, hey, who's working out? Who's trying to use a bunch of muscle, but you're not feeding me nutrition? I don't work for free, so instead I will get stiff, tight, tension. Maybe I just can't sleep. Maybe I'm already locked in a Charlie horse. If you get stiff and tight, you need to add minerals. And where do you find them? Dark green foods. Dark green steamed, quick stir-fried, or maybe even put on a skewer over the grill. Not microwaved, but real food cooked with real strength from a fire, steaming, stir-frying. So this is this week's Bulldozer Health Tip. Take back your health and enjoy green foods.